Hello, everyone, and thank you for those that came to the full sold out house of the Creating Exceptional Content on Friday. It was great seeing you all in person. There's so many of you that I've met online helping you create your social media presence and your websites. I loved seeing you in person. So I'm just reminding you to please sign up for your digital marketing strategy. That's happening February 23rd. I have the presentation already, and we're going to do a number of things that day, creating your own digital marketing audit, something you can do at any time afterwards if you so want. I'm going to be showing you some tricks on subliminal versus conscious type of posting. And then we're going to create your digital marketing plan and your content calendar in detail. So a lot of you were there on Friday and you were able to take home your calendars. So we're going to be using those calendars and working them out in detail. And then March, please sign up if you haven't already for the Digital Marketing Essentials Workshop. That one is going to be critical to just surviving and going to the next level in digital marketing. We're going to be focusing a lot on AI, artificial intelligence, and we're going to be focusing quite a bit on your Google listing. And I look forward to working with you at both those sessions. And a lot of you I'm having follow-up sessions with one-on-one, and they're all scheduled in my trusty calendar. So there's a few of them I can't read your writing, but I followed up and with the team at Tecumseh, and I know they're going to let me know who you are. But thank you so much. I really appreciated those who attended on Friday. Look forward to seeing you at the end of February or February 23rd. Again, where is it? It's facilitated by myself. And the next one is all about your digital marketing strategy. We're going to complete your digital marketing strategy, create your digital marketing strategy and plans, and we're going to complete your digital marketing audit, I should have said. It's an interactive workshop. It'll help if you bring your computer or your phone plugged in, ready to be charged. We have enough plugs everywhere, so you won't have a problem. You can plug it in to recharge throughout the day. And it's at the Four Points by Sheridan from 8:30 until 4 p.m. And we have breakfast until 9:30. Then we have a break around 10:30. Then we have a buffet lunch, which is amazing, from 12 till 1. Then we have another break in the afternoon, and then we are out of there by 4 p.m. no later. Thank you. See you in March. No, see you in February, and hopefully in March too.